Alright guys, this one Nifty and monthly chart. The monthly chart, Nifty is still running in an uptrend. Now 20 exponential moving average act as a support. So here I can see this one 20 exponential moving average act as a support, and if you see most of the time Nifty was bouncing from moving average 20. Have you seen? And exactly price near 20 exponential moving average. It is a probability to give a correction, or you can bounce from moving average 20 in a monthly chart. So that is why we are just focusing on buy side. And if you see again here, RSI almost 53 level, they are bouncing from 53 level. Let me draw a line by connecting this point. Just a minute, let me connect this point. Okay, most of the time RSI are bouncing from 53 level, have you seen? Bouncing from 53, and exactly price near 53. So we are expecting the price may create a new high very soon. And let's check it in a weekly time frame. Just a minute. Okay, let's go to weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, 150 exponential moving average act as a support now. So means monthly trend is up, and the second criteria, weekly trend also up, and it's taking support of 150 exponential moving average, and RSI are bouncing off 40 level. Okay, most of the time also they are respecting this 40 level. Okay, and if you see daily time frame, in a daily time frame, trend is a downtrend. Okay, so means large time frame trend is a uptrend, medium time frame trend is a downtrend, and small time frame also trend is a downtrend. So here I can see we have seen some, according to price action method, they are creating lower low, lower high, means they fail to break a previous high, again create almost same, but price trying to bounce from this supporting level but fail and create a new lower low. So again price pull back and try to drop, so we are expecting that price will give a correction from this area. So that is why we are just focusing on a buy side. And if you see like a global market, that is called investing. Let me show you investing. Okay, in investing here I can see global future market, most of the global market like Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Russell, all are positive. It's a close positive, and the VIX are dropping by 2.67%. all right, so means it may give a correction. And if you see like major indices, Indian market was negative, but Dow Jones and S&P 500 like they are positive. All right, so we are expecting that price will give a correction from this area. So if price give a correction, where is our entry point? So basically we are focusing on a buy side, but we never know on Monday where market will open. Okay, so that is why we have to find out some support and resistance, our entry point. So let me draw some support and resistance now. Okay, let me make it a little more here. Okay, this is strong support. Let me show you strong support, multiple rejection from this area, and let me show you in a small time frame like H1. Somewhere here it's a strong support. Now this one resistance, and another support also we have seen this one. Okay, multiple rejection from this area, and another supporting line somewhere here. So it's respecting both sides. Okay, let's just see in a small time frame like 15 minute or 5 minute. So here this one 15 minute and 5 minutes. So basically we are looking for buy above 200 exponential moving average in a small time frame. So means why 200 exponential moving average now very important. If you now see price pull back, bouncing of 200, and again pull back near 200, bounce, pull back 200, bounce, pull back 200, again bounce. All right, and after that price broke this area. So we are expecting that if price gap down and open above 200, so definitely we'll go for buy, and the first target will be around 15,800. Let's see 850. Okay, that will be our target point. So in that case we need some buy confirmation. If we never knows, right, price open a gap down and stay below this area, and if they form any sell signal, our next target will be around 15,550. all right, 1550. So that is our exit point. So we are targeting. So if price again break this level, definitely we will go for short below this level, and if price break this 15,850, so definitely we will go for buy after breaking this resistance line. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.